If you're still doing your marketing and your intake in your law firm manually, you're not just behind. You're losing cases to firms that aren't necessarily better law firms or better lawyers, they're just better marketers. So today, I'm going to show you the exact AI marketing tools law firms are using right now to generate more leads, automate intake, and stay visible online without hiring more staff. Being a great lawyer used to be enough, but it's not anymore. The firms that are winning today aren't just the most experienced. They're the most visible. They're the ones showing up on Google, following up instantly, and staying in front of potential clients. And AI has completely changed how that happens. And if you aren't updating your SEO to be aligned with your AEO, then you're behind. The fact is, you don't need a giant marketing team, and you don't need a massive budget. You just need the right systems in the right places. Let's start with the easy adaptions. AI intake and lead capture. This is the first place that most law firms lose cases. Someone calls after hours, no answer. They fill out a form, no follow-up, and boom, client gone just like that. But AI intake tools solve that instantly. They answer calls, respond to website inquiries, qualify leads, and follow up 24/7. No missed opportunities and no delays. For a lot of firms, just fixing your intake alone causes an increase in signed cases without spending a single extra dollar on marketing. And this could be as simple as an AI chatbot that can help schedule consultations for you, or an AI agent that can handle any after-hours requests. Next is content, and this is where most attorneys get stuck. They know they should be posting, but it never happens consistently. Now here's actually where AI helps in this, and a lot of people get this wrong. AI is not here to replace your voice or fully create your content from scratch. Honestly, most audiences can tell when something is completely AI generated, and that is not doing you any favors or building you any trust for your brand. Now, where AI does make a difference is in the process. AI content schedulers can make sure that your content is going out on a regular basis, and make sure that you're being consistent and getting things out in front of potential leads. But most importantly, AI can just help you organize your ideas, structure your content, and speed up production. But the message still needs to come from you, because your content is what's going to turn a stranger into someone who's willing to call you for their legal problems. Now let's talk about how people actually find you. Search behavior is changing fast, especially with AI-driven results. If your website isn't optimized for how people are searching today, you're just not going to show up. That means your SEO and your AEO need to work together. AI SEO tools tell you exactly what topics to cover, how to structure your content, and how to rank for searches like best personal injury lawyers near me. So instead of guessing, you're building visibility strategically. And if you're not consistently publishing content yet, this next one will help you with that too. Before someone calls your firm, they check your reviews. Now, most firms think that reputation management is just asking for more reviews. That's part of it, but that's not the full picture. AI reputation tools go a step further. They monitor your reviews across platforms in real time, analyze sentiment, and even help generate responses based on what clients are actually saying. So instead of manually checking Google, Yelp, and everywhere else, you have a system that flags issues, highlights positive feedback, and keeps your responses consistent and professional. Now, if this is already changing how you're thinking about your firm's marketing, make sure to subscribe. We break down real strategies like this every other week, specifically for law firms that want more cases without burning out. Also, check us out on Facebook to see when we are hosting our next masterclass on law firm marketing and intake tips. Now, once you have leads coming in, what you do next matters just as much. AI tools can automatically follow up, nurture, and personalize communication depending on where a potential client is in your pipeline. And this makes sure that no lead ever goes cold. Finding a CRM system that has this built in will help your firm significantly. And on the advertising side, AI-driven platforms can help you optimize your targeting by putting you in front of the exact type of client you want. You're no longer guessing who to target. The system learns and improves over time. The trick here is just to make sure you have enough content, enough creative material for AI to test against your audience. You still need to teach it, because AI only knows what you tell it. AI isn't replacing law firms, and it doesn't need to replace people, but it is going to help you build the systems that generate more clients and restructure your intake and marketing. You've got the tools, now it just comes down to how you use them. If you have any questions on how to implement this, feel free to reach out to us. But remember, be sure to like and subscribe, because we're going to be answering a lot of these questions. If you have any specific questions or looking for tips, be sure to comment them below, because we'll be answering questions there.